Purchase your beats today.
Hey guys, welcome back to Quoya Girls. It's your girl Quoya here, and I am back with another wig review. So today, this video is sponsored by ReadyWigs, and it is a beautiful unit. I saw it online. I have not opened it because I want to capture the whole essence of this wig on camera, like everything. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Qurls because I would love to have you. Now, let's get into this wig review. Okay guys, so the wig comes in this box. It's a really cute box. It's nice and small. It's not heavy. And on the top, on the front, sorry not the top, but on the front, it says ReadyWig. So, when you open it, the letter they give you, it says, "I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair." That's cute. A little message. This box reminds me of baby fat. If it reminds you of baby fat, go ahead and comment and say baby fat. When you open this, you get a wig cap. Then you have a hair care card, which it tells you how to take care of the hair on the front. And it also tells you on the back some more good tips and where to follow, where to order wigs, and how to tag them. They do have a Facebook, a YouTube, and an Instagram, and it's ReadyWigs. All of the information that I'm going to tell you guys here is going to be left in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. And if you want to buy this wig, go ahead, click it, and use my code for a little discount. Okay, I have a code, y'all. Your girl has a code, but use my code for a discount on the hair. Also, they give you a little spray bottle, which is very, very cute. I don't know what you would use it for, but it comes in the box, so that's cool. Next, you have the wig. So it is a lace front, and this is what the wig looks like when you take it out. I haven't taken the net off yet, but this is the inside. So you have a comb here, and a comb here. You also have inside this wig adjustable straps. Now, if you have an undercut like your girl here, you want to use this. That way your wig can lay flat. So I'm going to just go ahead and fix that. And I'm going to take the net off. And I'm just going to go ahead and look at it. Now it looks cute. The lace is very, very soft. You just cut it off and you go from there. So I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to cut this off. Then I'm going to come back and we can go ahead and lay this wig. Okay? Hey guys, I'm back from cutting the wig. And as you can see, I just cut it basically close. It does come with baby hairs. And what I did notice when I was cutting the wig was that there is free parting in this part. So you can part it however you want. So let's go ahead and put the wig on, shall we? PSA, for this to be a synthetic wig, it is really, really soft. I gotta fix it. So now I'm going to take some of my concealer, my LA Girl Pro. I'm just going to use that to give me like a realistic look of a part. Okay, now I am going to style it And I really just like it like this because it looks cute. Okay? You can pull it back and have it like it's like hanging off a little bit. Or not, you could just have it in the front. It's wavy, it's bouncy, it moves. So this is the look. I'm going to step away from the camera for about a little bit, and then we're going to come back and we're going to discuss wig, okay? This wig in particular. Give me a second, I'll be right back. So with that all being done, now let's talk about the wig itself. So I don't have anything negative to say about this wig. It's really soft, it's really affordable, it's very versatile. I can flip it both ways. I mean, I could just do whatever. This is not a 360 wig. It's only a synthetic frontal, well, closure I should say, type wig. And you could do whatever with it. It's soft, it doesn't stink, it smells really nice. And for this to be a synthetic wig, the quality is amazing. This wig is cut into like a bob style all the way around, so it's the same length. It's very wavy, and I think wavy hair and big hair goes for the season that we are in right now. So if you want to purchase this wig or any wig, click the link in the description box and go ahead and get this wig. I mean, it's really nice. You can purchase this wig or another wig. Don't forget to use my code Quoya R, which is down in, or Quoya WR, I'm not sure, but it is down in the description box below, so go ahead and click that. That way you guys can purchase this beauty. I mean, big wigs are in the season right now because we're in fall / winter junior, and this really goes. So let's do a slow-mo. You are on Quoya Curls. It's your girl Quoya, and I am sorry, signing out. Bye.